Good morning. You want to go on a walk? You ready to go on a little walk? What about you? You want to go on a walk?
Yes.
You ready to go on a walk?
Oh. Are you excited?
Paris is freaking out, but she is so scared. She keeps trying to run up these stairs. Well, we had a bit of a late start today. We had some issues with the RV. We got home from that walk and we started making breakfast. And we had the AC on and the microwave on. I guess we overloaded the generator. We had no hookups at the campsite last night, so we didn't know what we did wrong. We couldn't figure it out. We looked at the manual for the Cruise America RV and we called Cruise America support. They had no idea. That all their support person did was just like look through the same manual that we had already looked through. So I had just typed in Cruise America on Google Maps. It brought us to some random trailer dealership that used to work with Cruise America. The gentlemen in there were not super friendly to me, but they did help me. There was just some sort of switch on the actual generator, nowhere near where the manual for the Cruise America says it's gonna be. I knew it was a switch, I just didn't know where it was. And Cruise America said it's in the vehicle, and it was not. It was in the actual generator.
We tore this thing apart like five separate
Look at
times.
the bed back here. The manual says it's under the bed, so I had to take all the sheets off and move the entire mattress.
And you have to like take these things apart too, so we did that like 4 times.
It's not in here. It's actually out on the generator. The guys at the trailer dealership helped me. Took 2 minutes to just flip the switch. I
Called us dumb in so many words.
Whatever. We got it figured out. We're on the road now. We're on our way to Erie, Pennsylvania. So that is the next stop. We're crossing from Indiana through Ohio into Pennsylvania. I think that's it, right?
Uh-huh.
So we just stopped at a truck stop. Erin made us sandwiches. I uploaded yesterday's video, and
Paris needs to pee.
I'm gonna take Paris out, and then we'll get back on the road. Beautiful sights of an Indiana truck stop. Don't eat any of this trash. Good evening. How was your drive? Remember when we were at the Great Lakes and you were scared? You were scaredy. You look cute now, though. Alright, well, the last time I talked to the dingoes, we were at a truck stop in Indiana, and we were just kind of driving. Today was just a really intense driving day. Like, we didn't really stop very much at all.
It was like a 7-hour drive.
I just really wanted to get here because we got such we were so delayed by the generator situation.
Oh yeah.
But we made it to Erie, Pennsylvania, and we had dinner. I made chicken on the grill. Hi, Paris.
Come here, honey.
And now I'm doing a little editing. That's pretty much it for today. We're almost there. We've got like 2 more days. Tomorrow we're gonna go to Niagara Falls, so that'll be fun.
Oh, hi.
Whom is the shout out of the video?
Miss Brie. My favorite kind of cheese.
Bree, thanks for watching the video. Bree, you go, girl. If you guys want a chance to be the shout out of the video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below, and you just might be picked to be the shout out of the next video. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.